Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings and choose Apps and Notifications. Then click on Advanced, choose Permission Manager and select one of the options, for example Location. Then you need to pick an app, for example Maps, and pick one of the available options: allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to my device location. But you can also click on one of your apps, for example Google, select See all Google permissions over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!